Hi guys, I'm here today to just let you know of a few products that I found, and I've had some of these for a little bit, but I hadn't done a whole video, and sorry if my makeup's a little gone. I've been at work all day, and this is me filming after work, so this is what we got. But these are watermelon products. So I've got 3 different brands, 4 items. So the first thing I got is from Purelis, and it's the Pink Charcoal Watermelon Antioxidant Face Mist. And then I got the Pink Charcoal Watermelon Purifying Cleansing Milk from Purelis. So we're going to add those into rotation soon. The next 2 things that I have are both moisturizers, which I just finished the Clean and Clear, and should be doing the video review this weekend whenever I can get time, and the old man isn't home. I got the Yes To Watermelon Super Fresh Gel Moisturizer. And then I got the St. Ives Glowing Oil-Free Face Moisturizer. And I believe this one looks very similar. Actually, it's very different. This is what the packaging looks like. This one is 100% natural watermelon. Made with 100% natural watermelon. And this one is made with 96% natural ingredients. So it's another watermelon haul. I know you guys are probably getting tired of these, but I do have a poll on Twitter and on the Facebook page of which moisturizer I should try next, because I'm lost. But honestly, I'll probably go with the smallest one if you guys don't vote. Wow. So, this actually has more in it on this one. This was 1.8 ounce and this is 1.7. Honestly, the packaging, this one feels way heavier. So, I'm kind of curious of like how much this weighs packaging at all. This one is super light. I feel like the packaging is really compact, honestly. These are, I'm not going to open either one yet. These, I'm hoping one of these 2, if not both, will be a dupe for the Glow Recipe Watermelon. So, we're going to try those, and we're going to see. So, Clean and Clear review coming soon. Let me know which items you would like to see next. Don't forget to go vote on Twitter, and let me know, have you tried any of these watermelon products? Do you think watermelon is going to be the scent of the year, or the fruit of the year? I feel like, honestly, it went from being only high-end watermelon products to a ton of drugstore options, like really fast. This apparently launched the same time as the wipes and the jelly mask, but for some reason we're not at Ulta. This was at Target, and so was this one. St. Ives, I saw them actually post this on their Instagram, and that's how I found out about it. And when you go to their website, it says no retailers available or something. I don't know, it was acting weird. But I went to Target's website and searched and found these products, and they only had like 3 in stock. So either they're getting a really low amount of product, or this is flying off the shelf, because both only had like 2 or 3 in stock. So and that's including the back, because the website will tell you what all they have, and I was there to get a printer anyway. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe, and let me know, what is your favorite fruit? Do you think watermelon is the best choice, or do you wish they'd gone with something else? I'll see you guys later. Bye.